Hi everyone, Shumz here. Today it's a tutorial on how to bake chocolate brownies, courtesy of my elder sister Jay. Now here are the ingredients and let's get started. So first she's going to measure 275 grams of soft butter. Thank you to my niece for recording for me. And once she's measured that, she's going to put that in a bowl, mixing bowl. All the excess out. Next is caster sugar. Now she's using brown sugar because they prefer brown sugar over caster sugar. But yes, you need 275 grams of caster sugar, or in my sister's case, brown sugar. And she's decided to use 200 instead of 275. Sorry, 375. Then that goes in the mixing bowl. And what she's going to do next is get a hand mixer and mix the two ingredients together thoroughly. Yeah, just speeded it up a bit because you have to mix the ingredients well and it takes time. Next, she's taking 4 eggs. You need 4 large eggs, and then that goes in next. And then you just mix the eggs with the caster sugar and the butter. Next is cocoa powder. You need about 75 grams of cocoa powder. And then slowly put that into the mix while the mix is on. Because if you don't put it in slowly, it will go everywhere. The powder just messes the whole counter up. So yeah, slowly put it in while you mix it in. And make sure everything's mixed in well. Stir in properly. Now next is the flour. You need about 150 grams of self-raising flour. 100 grams, I apologize. As she did with the cocoa powder, she's doing that with the flour, slowly putting it in so it doesn't go everywhere. I actually love my sister's brownies. That's why I begged her to show us a tutorial, because I want you guys to taste this brownie that she makes. So make it, if you do make it, please let me know. But it's so good, this brownie. Next, she's gonna add some chocolate chips. Now that's entirely optional. You can either put that in. Some people like to put dried fruits in. Some people like to put nuts in. It's entirely up to you. Now just mix that in. Just folding it into the mixture. And there you have it, guys. There's the mixture done. Next, she's going to get the baking tray out and cut the baking paper to size. Because obviously you don't want that excess paper all around the baking tray. So she's cutting it down to size. Once that's done, carefully take all the mixture out of the bowl into the tray. And then spread the mixture out all around the tin, get in the corners, and smooth the mixture as much as you can. Here she's using a tablespoon, but you can use a spatula, any kind of smooth surface to smooth out the mixture. And here's a life hack, everyone. Basically, once you've put the whole mixture in, pick up the baking tray and slightly tap it against the counter. Now that's a good baking hack because the whole ingredients spreads out evenly. And there you have it, guys. Now she's going to put it in the oven, and you need to put it in the oven for 45 minutes on gas mark 125. After 45 minutes, if it feels firm on the top, then you know it's done. Thank you for watching, guys.